Dear friends, you are watching Travel the World. Assalamu alaikum. Today, we will take you to visit of Bahamas, a beautiful city. In this visit, we will discover the history and facts of the world's beautiful and diverse places inside Bahamas. Watch this video till the end, and if you are new to this site, don't forget to subscribe this channel by clicking the bell icon below for getting the latest updates. I am Muhammad Naeem and you are watching Travel the World. Bahamas is present in an American state and it is made up of islands. If we count the total islands, they will be around 700 in number, and out of these, only 30 islands are inhabited by the people. This country is located at the opening of the Bermuda Triangle, due to which at least 4 sea storms, tsunamis hit these places and resulted in damage of both whales and life. In 2007, Mini Harbor became president of Bahamas and changed its fate. Government has announced many policies which are friendly to the local people and help them in development. You will be surprised to know that the government has wiped off all taxes from the locals. They are exempted from all sort of taxes. Furthermore, in other country, they only allow left-right steering driving. But my friends, feel free in Bahamas because you can drive by your own wish. The government has allowed both types of cars, right-handed as well as left-handed. So no worries and enjoy your road drives in Bahamas. They also have well-organized system. They give maximum vacation to the pregnant women, which are around 4 months. There are many attractions for the visitors and tourists. Beautiful seaside and beaches are countless. Natural beauty has been seen not in the form of beaches and nature, but the women are also very gorgeous and attractive. Due to its splendid beauty and mind-blowing natural sights, Bahamas has snatched the attraction of Hollywood. Many movies have been picturized in Bahamas. The weather of the country is very moderate because it is surrounded by sea from all sides. You can't believe the people of Bahamas have not seen snow falling since 1971. Dear friends, let's tell you one more thing. It is not quite good, but it is interesting. Do you know a huge amount of cocaine has been produced on the island of Bahamas, and maximum amount of this cocaine was sold and delivered to America? Yes friends, for this reason Bahamas remained under the strict eyes of many international agencies. But because of new government and laws, this situation has changed now, and they have controlled the drugs dealing and use. Friends, many researches have been done around this island, and it was revealed that the sea around Bahamas were once a dry land. And not only this, they found the deep laying caves under the sea and the remnants of human settlements in the cave and on the land under the sea. This research surprised the world. Viewers, the surprise do not end here. From the beginning of 2000, this country was famous for slave trading also. With the passage of time, the locals got developed, as in now considered as one of the modern countries of the world. In 2017, a report was issued which described the survey of the tourists about local people of Bahamas. The foreigners declared them very open-minded and friendly. They neglect all the past incidents and rumors. The development of this country is also because of the government, which took every possible steps for the prosperity of this country and people. My dear friends, before moving ahead, let's take a look at the history of Bahamas. Christopher Columbus discovered this island. He was considered as the first person to step at Bahamas. But many other researchers denied this fact. According to another research, Taino tribe was settled on these islands before Christopher Columbus discovered them. The tribal people were around 30,000. and they were settled from 11th century, whereas Christopher Columbus discovered this island in 15th century. Viewers, San Salvador was the first island where the Christopher Columbus anchored its ship before entering Bahamas. Dear viewers, we are also well known by the British powerful empire and its historical nature of invading the world. British also tried to conquer these islands of Bahamas. They were realized the fact that these islands are the home of pirates and thieves. They started sending troops to free these islands. Troops starting colonizing them and introduced new techniques and modern machines. The local black people learned new cultures and skills, which helped them develop, and they started growing crops and foods. British invaders and local people started increasing population and expand families, which resulted in a generation that brought prosper future to this island. They involved in education and politics, which helped them to gain independence from British rule in 10th July 1973. But up till now, local people declared Queen Elizabeth as their ruler and leader. The internal affairs are being guided by the local governors. France, looking at the geography, the total area of the country is 13,945 cubic kilometers. According to the latest research, the population is 4 lakhs. The tourism industry is playing very important role in the economy of Bahamas. It constitutes up to 80% of the total economy. Viewers, hold your breath because we are taking you to the Paradise Island. It is one of the famous island and paradise. Its size is powerful. Its visitors felt emotional on leaving this place. Similarly, Bahamas and Harbour Island are alluring parts of Bahamas. New-wed couples prefer to visit this country. It is very suitable place for vacations. Many Pakistanis also visit this country every year. Women of Bahamas become happily willing to get married. That's the reason population of Bahamas is increasing day by day. Along seaside and beaches, many luxury villas have been formed inside the beautiful buildings where tourists live happily. Viewers, tourism industry of Bahamas is very developed. Thousands of tourists from all over the world used to travel to these islands. There are many luxurious resorts built along many beaches. Sandals Royal Bahamas is very famous resort which is the dream of all tourists. Pink Sand Resort, Wolf House Beach Resort Marina and Rosewood Bahamar are also worth watching. But you need dollars. Friends, you understand what I am saying. American dollars are used in this country because American interferes in many trade affairs. Even the money division system works on the law of America. My dear friends, if you go to the Bahamas, you should take your American dollars with you because you can't enjoy without money. In this video, we share interesting information about Bahamas, the land of islands. I hope you enjoyed this video. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to comment your views and share this video with your friend. With your friend, we will come again with another stunning and amazing videos. Stay tuned to our channel, Travel the World.